Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin just dipped back into the trenches, hitting 92,000 and even briefly touching 91,300. But in true Bitcoin fashion, it pulled off a stunning 3.78% V-shaped recovery, climbing back to 94,800 before settling at 93,900 at the time of recording. Guys, have you been shaken out by the fear, uncertainty, and doubt sweeping through the market? The Mika Tetherfud? Seriously? The Fear and Greed Index has reset back to a neutral 50 after hitting greedy highs of 88 on the 22nd of November, right before Bitcoin hit 99,000 for the first time. Now let's shift gears to some bullish news that will give you hope. Tether just scooped up 7,629 Bitcoin, worth a whopping $705 million during the dip to 92,000. This brings their reserves to a jaw-dropping $7.7 billion in Bitcoin. MicroStrategy isn't holding back either. They announced the acquisition of 2,138 Bitcoin for approximately $209 million at an average price of $97,837 per coin. Their Bitcoin yield for Q4 stands at 47.8%, and year-to-date, it's a staggering 74.1%. As of today, they hold 446,400 Bitcoin, acquired for $27.9 billion at an average price of $62,428 per Bitcoin. The Bitfinex whale has re-entered the market and is building a long position again. Historically, this whale might be early, but they're rarely ever wrong. On top of this, a Hong Kong lawmaker is proposing Bitcoin to be added to their national reserves to bolster financial security. Rumors are also swirling about Qatar potentially investing $500 billion in Bitcoin. Meanwhile, former German Finance Minister Christian Lindner is calling for Bitcoin to be added to the reserves of the European Central Bank and Bundesbank. FTX is preparing to repay $16 billion to creditors on the 3rd of January, 2025. This could inject major liquidity into the market, and it's a development that traders everywhere will be watching closely. Ethereum is signaling the start of another alt season. Historically, Ethereum has seen massive gains following Bitcoin halving years, as it did in 2017 and 2021. But remember, altcoin season only happens when Bitcoin is pumping too. Looking ahead, the United States inflation numbers are due on the 15th of January. The inauguration of the Orange Man on the 20th could also mark a major turning point, with rumors suggesting immediate actions may be taken toward establishing a U.S. national Bitcoin reserve. Hold tight, guys. 2025 is shaping up to be a massively bullish year for Bitcoin. We're on track to hit a new all-time high. Buckle up, it's about to get bumpy. Join our free Discord, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell to stay updated. Let's ride this wave together. And see you in the next one.